Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you a little trick for social media when it comes to putting your posts out to people, which will help you get better engagement and it will keep people looking at those posts for longer. Now, one of the problems with people online is when they're going through things, they've got very short attention spans, so there's not a lot of time they can put into looking at a business post, and a lot of people don't want to look at those. So the most important thing is to ensure that you've got good flow. Now, what I mean by good flow is I mean that they can read from the start right down to the finish with no interruptions. So what is an interruption? An interruption is a comma or a full stop. You want to try and avoid these things because what they do is they create a break in the communication. So you pause for a second before you continue, and that is an issue. So what I like to do instead is utilize the exclamation mark. I use them all the time and I get much more engagement in my posts when I'm putting them out for my clients when I just use exclamation marks all the time. And sometimes they contact me and they say, why do you keep putting exclamation marks? So I'm making this video mainly for them to explain why. But it will hopefully help you out there. If you're like an entrepreneur, if you're a company, it's really good to use the exclamation mark. Now, my advice when it comes to making a social media post is keep it short and sweet. Just keep it down to a couple of lines, if that. You want like 1 or 2 sentences and that is it, because people do not have the attention to stay on that for a long time. Now, when it comes down to it, a lot of people who are using AI, the AI is a problem because what it does is it tends to put a lot of normal human language in. So it will, because it's trained as a writing program, what it will do is it will put full stops, it will put commas, it will put semicolons, and the problem with all of these different things is that they can really have a negative impact if you are not using your exclamation marks. So when it comes down to it, just focus on using exclamation marks for your next couple of posts and let me know how it goes in the comments. If this video was helpful to you, feel free to subscribe, leave me a like, leave me a comment telling me I'm going prematurely bold, really appreciate that one, and hopefully this will help you move forward in your business and this content will really improve your game. Anyway, you take care, have a lovely day. Bye!